Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have for you a very special and unique unboxing. I am here at the New York event for the launch of the Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL, as well as the new Google Pixel stand and other things from Google. But I was able to get my hands on these two guys, and I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of the brand new Pixel 3 XL as well as the brand new Pixel stand. This is TK and this is XTA TV. What I have for you today is the Pixel 3 XL. This is the 64 gig variant in black. There's three colors available. There's the just black, which is what we have, the clearly white, which essentially is a white color backing with a green button on the side. And of course, we have the not pink, which essentially is more of a rosé color, and an orange button on the side. So the black one, you get the all black glass on the top, as well as a smooth surface on the back, as well as the internals of all three devices will be pretty much the same. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. We have a zipper here. Another one there, and here you have the brand new Pixel 3 XL. Now, this is the all black one. We have the 12.2 megapixel sensor in the back at f1.8, and we have obviously a dual tone LED flash, as well as the fact that we still have the fingerprint sensor positioned in the same spot. The material on the back, let's go ahead and open it up. It's definitely a little bit different than what we had before. It's actually smoother to the touch and closer to what we have on the glass, enabling it to actually have wireless charging. And not only that, fast wireless charging with that charger that I showed you guys in the introduction. Now in the front, we have dual sensors in the front at the top, both 8 megapixel sensors, but the difference here is one of them is a standard focal length, the other one is at a wide angle length, enabling you to actually get wider selfies built in and basically very easily with this device. Front-facing firing speakers here for stereo audio. On the left side, nothing, pretty much. The other aesthetical difference that we had from last year is that the glass top kind of extends all the way to the bottom, all the way on the bottom here, and all the way to the top part of the display. Mainly just to keep kind of the uniform feel on the device, and it really looks very nice. So let's go ahead and power it on for the first time. As it's going on through the power process here, I'm going to keep going through with the box. What we have is a instruction manual, just explain to you how to eject the SIM card with a SIM card ejecting tool. So what we also have here is USB-C Pixel Bud style earpieces. So these are built into the actual box, and they're basically, if you notice right there, very similar to the Pixel Buds, but again, very functional. And it looks like we also have a built-in remote or some sorts in there. Last but not least, we have a USB-C to a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. A USB-C to USB-A connector for OTG connectivity, as well as a USB-C to USB-C connector for basically data and syncing. Power brick that we have here is a USB-C type power brick that enables us to be able to charge our device quickly. So here we have it, the brand new Pixel 3 XL, 6.3-inch display, Quad HD, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage with an option of 128. We definitely have a much nicer battery here. We have a 3450 milliamp battery. It's slightly smaller than what we had last year, but hopefully with the optimization of the Snapdragon 845, we have a better experience going on. So from a form factor point of view, here's the Pixel 2 XL from last year. Again, we have pretty much the same form factor, but a bigger display. So if you compare the displays between the two, you can definitely see the difference in sizes. Of course, this notch is providing us the space for the additional sensors at the top. Here, we don't have those. The camera is sitting on the top left. So overall, we definitely have a better experience, bigger display, slightly smaller battery, but essentially in the same footprint as the Pixel 2 XL. When looking at both materials, you'll notice that basically the design didn't change much. We basically have a surface and a glass top. Here we have a much softer surface that enables us of having wireless charging. And of course, the black coloring here kind of goes all around the device, mirroring what we have in the front. The fingerprint sensor is pretty much in the same, and the camera sensor is basically sitting in there. And overall, very, very nice. Let's go ahead and check out that camera that we have here. So I went ahead and fired up the front-facing camera here, and I took a couple of shots. So you'll notice right here, you're able to fit a lot more with this as opposed to your standard angle. And all of this is pretty much done by when you open up the camera, switching to the front-facing camera, and then using that little, it's kind of like a jog dial here. You can see my friend right there. What we have here essentially is the ability of enabling wide selfies, or wide angle selfies, and taking in the entire scene and having everybody in the picture. Other than that, the UI is pretty much what you expect from Android Pie. Other than that, you're pretty much getting the same experience as you have on the standard Pixel with Android Pie. This is Android Pie 9.0, not 9.1. So let's go ahead and go down. We'll go to System, About Pixel. And right here, Android Pie 9.0 in all of its glory. No update beyond that point. The other thing that I want to mention to you guys, we probably heard, or you've probably even known about this, is going under the system and going under gestures. We no longer have the ability of going away from gestures within the system. This is basically a built-in UI that you have to use within the Pixel 3 XL, where we have it here on the Pixel 2 XL, the ability of turning it on. By turning it off, we'll get the recents back in home. Here on the Pixel 3 XL, we no longer have that option. We do have gestures, so Active Edge is enabled. We have swipe fingerprint notification, so you can swipe the fingerprint to be able to bring down the notification panel, double pressing the power button to turn on the camera, flip camera, double tap to check phone, of course, and then lift to check and then prevent ringing. All of those things are in there. But the ability to switch back to your standard recents application will have to be done hopefully with third-party application if you still want that on your Pixel 3 XL. And the last thing that they did mention about here is a lot of it is software built into this. So the new playground, which essentially what we used to have with the AR stickers, and then of course the ability to be able to take motion focus as well as basically the best picture ever. So there's a lot of software optimizations that came out of this, and we'll be able to cover for you guys in the full review hopefully soon on the portal. Let me know what you guys think about this device. I'm really excited to see what this phone can do. This is the Pixel 3 XL. Now, before we finish it up, let's go ahead and check out real quick the Pixel stand. This really augments the functionality of charging on this device because it not only enables you to be able to charge with the 10-watt charger that we have in here, and let's go ahead and open it up. This Pixel stand enables you to turn on more of kind of like an experience of charging, meaning certain functionalities that do not work unless you have it on a charger. Now, this is a fast wireless charger, 10 watt as I mentioned. It is powered by USB-C plug at the bottom of it. There is a non-slip material here. And of course, we have the power brick and the USB-C cable to charge it. It's USB-C to USB-C as well. But when you plug it in and you actually put the phone on the actual dock, you'll be able to see a little bit of that video that I'm showing you right now, which is different experiences, either looking at images, playing music, and of course, this will work in both landscape and in portrait mode because it does actually have 2 coils sitting in the back to be able to charge up your Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL. Overall, I'm really excited about both these devices. Again, cannot wait to give you guys the full details and the full review very soon. The Pixel stand is definitely very nice, as well as the Pixel 3 XL. Both are available to be able to be pre-ordered, and as far as I remember correctly, the Pixel 3 starts at $799 with a 64 gig model, and the Pixel 3 XL starts at $899 with the 64 gig model pre-ordering today. And then the Pixel 3 stand, or the Pixel stand, is going in for $49.99, again for pre-ordering off the Google Play Store, and soon available at other retailers. Like and subscribe as usual. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about the brand new Pixel 3, Pixel 3 XL? This was a quick unboxing, as well as the Pixel 3 stand, or the Pixel stand that we have here, since it works only for the Pixel 3 and the Pixel 3 XL. A lot of new cool things, a lot of new software that's going to be turned on, initially for the Pixel 3, but very soon for the Pixel 2 XL and the Pixel 1. Again, like and subscribe. Thank you very much for the support. Check out my channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.